Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to generate a QR code for a WhatsApp group. So, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go to the group for which you want to generate a QR code. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info page. If you are the admin of the group, you will see an option that says Invite to Group via link. Tap on that. Now, you'll see different ways to invite people to the group using a link. One of these options will be QR code. Go ahead and tap on that, and WhatsApp will generate a QR code for your group. At this point, you have two options. You can either show this QR code to people so they can scan it directly, or you can save the QR code to your phone's gallery. To save it, just tap on the share icon and select Save Image if you're using an iPhone. Alternatively, you can take a screenshot of the QR code and it will be saved to your phone's gallery as well. Once the QR code is saved, you can print it or share it wherever you need, making it easy for others to scan and join your WhatsApp group. And that's it. That's how to generate a QR code for a WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.